Okay, we go back and review finding an object. Hey, I need something. Where do you have it? Where is it? Giving directions. Um, for like a good solid 2 weeks, we would just go over this same stuff again to make sure the form is comfortable. Of hey, I need this. Do you have this? Yeah, I got this. Where is it? It's here. You mean here? Yeah, that's great. Thank you very much. It's that. And we'll see the format. We've seen it a number of times. And again, we just keep going back over the same dialogue. Um, Videos, stuff we've already seen. Shoe polish. Okay. Like clean, polish. Getting a little bit of my ceiling there. Okay. Scissors. Cent one. Penny. Coin, right? Okay. 1 cent coin. Stamp. Glue. Newspaper. Magazine. Broom. Uh, nail or need a nail. Envelope. So there's a B, and you put the thing in here. Envelope. TV guide. Whatever. Screwdriver or screwdriver. Nail clippers. Needle, thread. Candle. Match or I have to look at the thing. One safety pin. That's what I've like. Pin. Open up. Brand names are oftentimes substitutes too. Bills. Bills. Need to pay bills. Those two usually go together. Key. You know what? Screwdriver. Now that I think about it, most of the time I've seen it for like this. Like here's the actual screwdriver, as opposed to key. I guess what I've seen for screwdriver is like or screwdriver, vodka. Vacuum. Notice it's different than broom or mop or shovel. Each of the actions is slightly different. Clock. Sleeping bag. Photo album. Picture book. Camera. Calendar or schedule. And umbrella. Umbrella. If you're from Southern Ohio. So we put this on the board. We'd go through that. We just did it in the previous one. Same thing. Hey, do you have this? Yes. Where do you keep it? Do the confirmation. That whole thing. Again, we beat this horse till it's long past dead. And then talking about doing a survey of the class again and finding out the information. This book is meant to span quite a long time, so we keep coming back to stuff. Now, again, like I said in the last unit, we're adding a little bit beforehand of why I need it. Okay. So leaving things in other buildings. Now we take a little interesting turn. What is it you don't like about your house? So what is it you would change about where you would live or where you live currently? And to think about, yeah, if you want to change, you want to build some furniture. Boom. So just little things to think about. We would go around and ask everybody in the room what's something you don't like about where you live. And here are some examples to give you an idea of when we go around the room, what it would be like. Well, she's back. She looks like she's a mushroom from Mario. His mustache is kind of alive, isn't it? Pollard, was that the guy with is that the guy from Silent Films that had the big mustache? Anyway, he's got his beard is taking over his face. Mine will never grow in. It's kind of like puberty will hit in sometime. Hopefully before I lose all my hair. Anyway, actually I haven't lost it. I've got a good hairline. My great grandfather, or my grandfather on my mom's side, had a good hairline. My hairline on my dad's side, bald. Okay, so that was enough. So that's really all of 13.8.